Welcome to the Fairgrounds and Event Center of Montgomery County, Ohio, where the Dayton Train Show took place just last weekend. I'm at the point where one of two things need to happen. Either I start selling less meaningful items from my collection, or I should add to that collection much more carefully. Leaving this show with an armload of stuff was never my intention, and I tried to start off slowly. But I can make something out of this flat car, and the metal wheels and axles from the gondola will help me convert an Italian passenger car to operate on Lionel tracks. The book? Well, it was only $1. On the downside, though, because of the cheap book, I now have a whole bunch of new items to search for on eBay. One step forward, 2 steps back. It is a really nice book, though. In the 3 or 4 past years since I've rediscovered train shows, this is the biggest selection of diecast that I've seen. And not just modern items, but a seriously large variety of vintage items from the 1970s. In boxes, no less. I'm kind of kicking myself for passing up on some of these. I really wish I had purchased this fire truck from Corgi. And I should have gotten one of these tankers too, but in an effort to show some self-restraint, I only bought one thing here. It wasn't this Mack container truck. The model is nice, but the box showed some damage, and so did some of the others. The prices were very reasonable, much less than eBay, especially if you were to add shipping and sales tax. But I'm trying to be more selective. What I did buy was this Mack truck with a transcontinental trailer. The box is in pretty good condition, and the price sticker read $35. Not too bad on its own, but the seller was receptive to my offer, which was just a bit lower. A Corgi model 1100 like this would have sold for $50 or more on eBay. But I paid half that. Something about the color scheme really speaks to the late 1960s and early 70s. The bluish silver combined with the black doors and orange frame pretty much scream England from half a century ago. Sometimes you stumble across treasure when you're not searching for it, like this Virginian caboose. Certain people look down upon Lionel MPC era products, but I don't know why. With all of the bicentennial celebrations going on, 1976 was a really good year, and I think this is a quality train. It might even be new. The red marker lights are still taped to the bottom. This is the last purchase I made that day, and I really had to talk myself into buying it, or more accurately, them. The Lionel ALCO set is not something from my wish list, but both units are complete and undamaged, nothing's broken or missing, and even the paint isn't too bad. The stamped frames are very rusty, but I can deal with oxidation. The seller had them priced at $35 for the pair, but then offered them to me for $25. So I bought them, and here they are. I'm not quite sure what to do with them, though. I think that this was the fourth show that I've attended so far this fall, and it was my favorite by far. The weather was perfect, the atmosphere, both inside and out, was festive, there were lots of bargains. All of those elements combined to make nearly everyone there in a good mood, including myself. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.